This is a video to show a correction for a question I did in the during the lesson for Math 20-2 on Friday, September 9th. So I used the technique rationalizing my denominator. I multiplied by root 6 over root 6. So in the denominator, I have the square root of 6 squared, and that gives me the square root of 36, which gives me the square, or sorry, not the square root, it gives me 6. In the numerator, I have -2 times the square root of 96 times 6, and let me just open my calculator. So here's my calculator. I take 96 and multiply it by 6. And that gives me 576. So I have -2 times the square root of 576. Now, we need to factor that 576. So we start with 576, and I need to decide what I'm going to take out. Because it's even, I'm going to divide this by 2 and or factor out 2. I'm left with 288. 288 is still even, so I factor out another 2, and that gives me 2 times 144. 144 is even, so we have 2 times 72, and we continue 2 times 36, even still 2 times 18, and finally we have 2 times 9. So when I say finally, I mean we're finally done with our 2's, and we have 3 times 3. So we're going to find all of our pairs, our identical factors. So I have 2 squared, 2 squared, 2 squared, and 3 squared. Now, some of you might have recognized this as a perfect square. So that's 12 squared. And if you didn't recognize this, you might have recognized 36 as 6 squared. And that's fine. You could have stopped at that point. So let's take this up here. We have -2 times the square root of 2 squared times 2 squared times 2 squared times 3 squared. So we have -2. Well, the square root of 2 squared times the square root of 2 squared times the square root of 2 squared times the square root of 3 squared, all over 6. So we have -2 times 2, the square root of 2 squared is 2, times 2 again, and a third time, and finally by 3. Now we simply multiply these together. We have 2 times 2, sorry, -2 times 2 times, or sorry, here we go again. I have 6 in the denominator. I can reduce by a factor of 2. I'm left with 3, and my 3's cancel, and I have -2 times 2 times 2, which gives me -8 as the correct answer.